Myself Omkar Pawar. Today we are discussing about male and female reproductive system. Male and female reproductive system is responsible for production of gametes and the process of reproduction. In male, the reproductive system consists of testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and penis. The testes produce sperm through a process spermatogenesis, which takes place in seminiferous tubule. The sperm then mature and stored in the epididymis before being transported to vas deferens. During ejaculation, sperm mix with fluid from the seminal vesicle and prostate gland to form semen, which is ejaculated through penis. In female, the reproductive system includes ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina. The ovaries produce eggs through a process called oogenesis. Each month, one egg is released from the ovary during ovulation, and then it is captured by fallopian tube. If the fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg travels to the uterus where it implants and develops into fetus. In fertilization does not occur, the egg shed along with lining of uterus during menstruation. Reproductive system in males and females are regulated by hormone. In male, primary hormone is testosterone, which is produced by testes. In female, the main hormone are estrogen and progesterone, which are produced by ovaries. Both the male and female reproductive system are essential for sexual reproduction and continuation of species. They play role in development of secondary sexual characteristics such as breast development in female, facial hair growth in males.